Good afternoon. We're coming to you from Miami, Florida to try something new that we spotted in the store and we had to pick it up. It's this Kit Kat blueberry muffin. I saw this and I said, oh yeah, we gotta try this. I like blueberry muffins. I like Kit Kats. Is it gonna work? Let's find out. Let's go make some memories. Let's get this thing opened up here. It says limited edition. It says blueberry muffin, naturally and artificially flavored, crisp wafers, and a blueberry muffin flavored cream. Interesting. I know Kit Kats are like really big in like Japan, where they have like all these like 50 different flavors. Now we're finally starting to get some different flavors here in the US, so that's kind of cool. Gives us something different to try every once in a while. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, it is a purple looking Kit Kat. Okay, unfortunately my Kit Kat got broken, but I have a question to ask you. Is it wrong if you don't break it and you eat it like this? That's a big argument online. You gotta break each piece off, that's what I think. Alright, so let me give this thing a try. It says Kit Kat like normal. Definitely tastes like a blueberry muffin. That's really cool. Tastes like somebody stuck a Kit Kat on top of a blueberry muffin. Except you don't have the chocolate of the Kit Kat, I guess. Or the wafer part. It's good. I would definitely get this again. Matter of fact, if I go back to the same store and I see it, I probably will get it again, since it's limited edition. If you like blueberry muffins at all, or Kit Kats, pick this thing up. It's delicious. Very good. Who makes this? Hershey? Yep. Good job, Hershey. If you like this video, hit that like button down below. Leave us a comment. Is there any other weird kind of flavors of Kit Kat we should look for to try? Have you found this one and have tried it? Let us know what you think of it. Alright, subscribe if you're not. As always, guys, we'll see you soon.